And there are the 6 astronauts for Endeavour's STS-130 mission. Making their way down the hallway in the crew quarters, followed by Jerry Ross, in charge of their, when they're down here at the Kennedy Space Center. 7-time flown astronaut himself. About to say goodbye in the elevator, but there we go. And there's the astrovan waiting for the crew. The several other people will be riding along with the astronauts on the way to the pad, including astronaut Chris Ferguson, the deputy chief of the astronaut office, will be doing the weather reconnaissance flights. They'll drop him off. And here's Endeavour's STS-130 crew. The sound suppression water system has been activated. We're T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. We have the filter ready to start. 2, 1, 0. Booster ignition and liftoff of Shuttle Endeavour with NASA's final space station crew compartment that brings a bay window view to our celestial backyard.
This is Mission Control Houston. Endeavour's roll maneuver is complete. It is now in a heads-down position on track for its flight to the International Space Station. 28 seconds into the flight, Endeavour flying at 1,100 miles per hour, 1.3 miles in altitude, and 7 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center, according to onboard computers. Endeavour's engines are throttling down as the orbiter passes through the area of maximum pressure on the vehicle.
Endeavour, go ahead, throttle up.
Endeavour copies, go ahead, throttle up.
The 3 main engines on board are throttling back up, now 1 minute 10 seconds in the flight. Endeavour flying at 1,800 miles per hour, 10 miles in altitude, 11.5 miles downrange. At liftoff, the fully fueled shuttle, boosters, and external tank weighed 4.5 million pounds. The total thrust at launch was 6,425,000 pounds.
We're T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. We have the filter ready to start. 2, 1, 0. Booster ignition and liftoff of Shuttle Endeavour with NASA's final space station crew compartment that brings a bay window view to our celestial backyard.
This is Mission Control Houston. Endeavour's roll maneuver is complete. It is now in a heads-down position on track for its flight to the International space station. 28 seconds into the flight, Endeavour flying at 11.
The sound suppression water system has been activated. We're T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. We have go ready to start. 2, 1, 0. Booster ignition and liftoff of Shuttle Endeavour with NASA's final space station crew compartment that brings a bay window view to our celestial backyard.
Ground control to Major Tom. Ground control to Major Tom. Take your protein pills and put your helmet on. Ground control to Major Tom. 7, 6. Commencing countdown, engines on. 3, 2. Check ignition and may God's love be with you. This is ground control to Major Tom. You've really made the grade, and the papers want to know whose shirt you wear. Now it's time to leave the capsule if you dare. This is Major Tom to ground control. I'm stepping through the door, and I'm floating in a most peculiar way, and the stars look very different today. For here am I sitting in a tin can,